Hello everyone. This is a delay timer board manufactured by DNA Solutions Nasik. In this board, you have to provide 8 to 24 volt DC power supply. You can connect pump or solenoid over here, and a 3-pin proximity sensor can be connected over here. A jumper is been provided over here to select between 5 volt or V in that has to be given to the proximity sensor. A potentiometer has been provided to select the timing for which the pump has to be turned on. You can select a timing from 0 to 5 seconds as per your requirement. Now we will be connecting 12 volt pumps and solenoid to this board and test it. So first I am giving a 12 volt power supply to it, and over here I will be connecting the IR proximity sensor. I have selected V in because this is E18 proximity sensor which works on 5 volt. So for the first application I have connected this over here. I will be using a small submersible pump for this, for the first demo. So you can see the pump turns off even though the hand is there. Okay. So for second application, we'll use a non-submersible pump. Right now what I am using is R365 non-submersible pump. You can use R365, R385, whatever non-submersible 12 volt pumps you want to use. Now I'll be using a solenoid over here. This is a 1/2 inch solenoid. This can be solenoid valve, so this can be used for tap application if you want to control water flow. So over here you can't see anything, but the valve is turning on and off. And now we'll be using one more pump. It's a big one. This is used for pesticides and spraying. So this is called a Shikari pump or Kisan pump. So this you can get it at a local where you get all the farmer related, application related products. So even this pump can be controlled. This pump has a rating of 2.6 ampere. So as you can see over here, so even we can control this pump through this circuit. Now we will be controlling 24 volt solenoids and pump through this same board. So again I have connected the sensor. The sensor is working on 5 volt, and now I am using a 24 volt adapter over here. So even on 24 volt the same circuit works. So I am using a DC solenoid valve which is over here. So the valve turns on as soon as the hand has been detected. So this can be used for dispensing application. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use a pump which is used in RO, and along with that we are going to control solenoid as well. So this can be used where you require mist. So the pressure will be generated by the pump and the solenoid will make sure it is cut off at the right time. So now the pump, you can see it is vibrating. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is vibrating. The pump is also on as well as the solenoid is also on. So both turn on at the same time and they turn off at the same time. So this simple single board can be used to control 5 volt pumps, 12 volt pumps as well as the 24 volt pumps and solenoids. Thank you.